O Plus goes where you go. Up a mountain, over a trek, on your desk, and into your gym bag, with multiple uses in each durable handheld canister. Anytime may be an optimal time to restore your depleted oxygen levels to normal, healthy levels with Oxygen Plus. Stress, travel, exercise, alcohol, elevation, inactivity, and pollution can lower your oxygen levels, making certain moments of your daily life an ideal time for Oxygen Plus. O Plus is the perfect pocket-sized pick-me-up to help you hit life head-on. So why wait another moment? An all-natural, all-day energy, O Plus can help you power through a long day or a late night. Check out and download our O Plus uses guide to get familiar with the occasions and amount of oxygen you'll want to hit each day.